Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can download apps on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. For that you need to go to your Play Store and then you have your apps here. We have For You, Top Charts, Children, different categories. Then we have games. We have Games For You, Top Charts, Children, Events, Premium Games and different categories. And then we also have books, we have ebooks, we have audiobooks, we have different genres and top selling ones, as well as new releases and top for free. When we go to one or the other here and then click on the search bar, we can put in the name of an app. We go with Leave a Runner now, and when we click on it, we have more information about it. We have ratings and reviews, and when we want to uninstall this app, we can say uninstall. So we can now uninstall it here, open through the button here. We'll go back and then it pops up here on our home screen. So you can now go ahead and use this app. So that's how you can download apps on your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.